Are you looking for a townhome in Charlotte, North Carolina? Well, in today's video, we're going to explore a townhome that shows that big things do come in small packages. The Cary floor plan at Harrisburg Village by Eastwood has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. It's 1,932 square feet, and it has an extra special space that we're going to discover later. This home is an end unit, and it's super popular because of this incredible feature that we're about to check out in a few minutes. Eastwood has incredible attention to detail, and I'm not just saying that. I actually have 2 family members that live in Eastwood Homes, and they absolutely love it. You can see that in the foyer they have picture frame molding, a tray ceiling, and in the powder room they're not putting that little itty bitty sink that you typically see, that pedestal sink that I hate. They're actually including a vanity so that you can store all of the things that we need to store in our powder room. Upon entering this open concept area, the first thing you're going to see is your kitchen. This kitchen includes an island, a quartz island at that, plus this double bowl vanity is now a single bowl vanity, as all trendy interior designers do nowadays. You're also going to have a gas stove, which is great because I'm starting to encounter lots of neighborhoods where you only see electric. So this is amazing if you're the kind of person that likes to cook. You also have the built-in microwave with soft close doors, and this is a feature that Eastwood started adding most recently. Fun fact about me, I used to work in a curtain store. This means that this 20-foot ceiling would have been like a playland for me. These 2-story curtains are exactly how I would have treated this grand space. And one of the things that I love about Eastwood is that they're still including casing and window sills, which is something that you're starting not to see anymore in production builders. Another thing about this space is that it has a second level of windows, so you get a flood of light as this is an end unit. Now, you know how I love to give you interior design tips, so here is my tip. This is a model home, so it doesn't matter if it's open all night, but if you are seeking privacy on those upper windows, make sure you add motorized shades so that you can control them with your remote control. Your primary bedroom is located on the lower level, and it has just enough space to include a king-size bed, your nightstands, and a chest of drawers. You also have this incredible ceiling above me. Now, keep in mind that all of the homes that are left at Harrisburg Village are going to be spec homes, which means that a designer has already put in all of the colors, all of the features that you're gonna get in this home. But there are gonna be different options from a dark wood to white, and you'd be able to pick out the one that you prefer if you make your way to Harrisburg. Your primary ensuite is going to include double bowl vanities with this additional drawer space and a stand-up shower with a bench and the tile going all the way up. You know that this is a staple of interior designers, taking that tile all the way up to the ceiling. Now, one of the things that Eastwood has changed is the fact that they now include enhanced vinyl plank on your flooring, so you have a seamless look all throughout the first floor. You'll often hear me comparing builders, and one of the reasons that I do that is because I really want you to know what you get with one builder versus another, especially something like this exposed wrought iron staircase railing. This right here allows you to have an open view of your downstairs as well as to catch the rays of that morning sun. One super cool feature that Eastwood offers is that going up the stairs, you're going to get hardwood. Typically, you're going to see carpet in those areas, but here, almost every single inventory home that they have is going to have hardwood stairs going all the way up. Working from home, this is a cool area to do so. In addition to the loft, you have a full bathroom here and 2 additional bedrooms, plus this amazing area that we're about to explore right now. Even though this room does not have a closet, it is a very cool space to make into a massage parlor, if you're into that, a kid's room, or it could be a dressing room if you're a fashionista. If the Cary floor plan seems right for you, you're gonna pay anywhere from the low to the mid 400,000. And just in case you are looking, my name is Yadi Karina Jones, and I'm a real estate agent with Lifestyle International Realty here in the Charlotte metro region. If you're thinking about moving here, please feel free to connect with me using any of the contact information below. Harrisburg Village has 240 homes. The townhomes have coverage on the exterior, including the outside siding as well as the roof. Now, for the amenities here, you have a pool, walking trails, a dog park, a playground, and sidewalks on both sides. And the downtown is just minutes away by foot. The downtown area of Harrisburg has Atrium Health, Novant Health, and popular spots to visit like Bubba's, Percent Tap Brewery, and Rocky River Coffee. Whether you're catching a flight at Bubba's restaurant or catching a flight 30 minutes away at Charlotte Douglas Airport, the area of Harrisburg and the community of Harrisburg Village by Eastwood Homes is an amazing place to consider living. If you're interested in learning more about the townhomes at Harrisburg Village, please connect with me using any of the contact information below. Again, my name is Yadi Karina Jones, and I work at Lifestyle International Realty. I service both North and South Carolina, and I would love to work with you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.